All right, let's take a look outside over Southfield. The heat bearing down on Metro Detroit, an 8th straight day of 90-plus degree weather. The heat and humidity creating conditions ripe for stormy weather. We saw localized flooding around here yesterday. Let's check in with 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Bogle to see if more is on tap for today. Hallie, are we watching the skies for heavy rain again?
We definitely are, Keenan. We know days like this, it's so hot and humid, you can kind of wring out the atmosphere, and really those torrential downpours, flooding rains will be the main threat with any showers and storms that do develop again today. Day 8, so this is the second longest stretch of 90-degree or hotter temperatures we've had for Detroit. So yeah, the most we've ever had, 11 back in 1953. So not bad at all. We could use a little break. I know a lot of people asking for that. I think we'll see it by the weekend. But the heat index near 100 degrees. So if you can, we always say in heat like this, you want to limit your time outdoors or at least take lots of breaks. It's 91 right now in Southfield, 87 degrees in Warren. The temperature reading 87 in Waterford, K-Pac at 89, Romeo also just shy of 90 degrees, Lapeer 91. So temperatures are really heating up very quickly this afternoon. Want to show you how much moisture. So we have our dew point reading the moisture content of the atmosphere, of the air, upper 60s to low 70s. It is tough. And that's typically a lot of times how high we go. Low to mid 70s is about as high as we go with our dew points here in Michigan, and we're there in some spots. So the heat index is going to be between 95 and 100 degrees going right through the afternoon, and it stays very muggy tonight and tomorrow until we get a front to move through. Looking at the radar, it looks fairly quiet the last half hour or so. A few of these pop-up showers over Lapeer County, Burnside to Goodland, into Imlay City, Dryden. The problem is I can put a track on this. They're stationary, so that's where we get that threat of a cell just sitting right over the same area, bringing down some very heavy rain, 1 inch to 2 inches in an hour's time. So temperatures, as they heat up, we see more and more of these pop-up showers and storms, and I do think they'll last a little bit longer than what we saw yesterday. So the cold front tomorrow, this is what breaks our pattern for Friday and brings more numerous showers and storms. But in the meantime, keep an eye out from now all the way through the evening hours. Actually, the 7 o'clock, we're still seeing it up until about 10 p.m. for these showers and storms. And then tomorrow, the morning looks dry. Late morning till about noon, we start to see scattered activity, numerous as far as showers go, a few thunderstorms as well. And then things cool off a bit behind that for the weekend. But our highs today, well into the 90s. So we're looking at mid-90s, 74 for a low, muggy tonight, 90 tomorrow. And then we are into the 80s for the weekend. Little break before the heat is right back on early next week. Stay with us. We have more 7 Action News ahead.